Hello, hi everyone. So today I am going to just making the video for the calculation of sacrifice ratio. So that is the reason, dear students, I am standing before the camera along with my camera technician best friend Viresh. So let us study the sacrifice ratio, calculation of sacrifice ratio. In the last video we have seen two examples. We have studied two examples. We have solved two examples of while calculation of sacrifice ratio. So now I am going to solve one more problem so that you can see on your image. Okay, dear students, as per your image, look at the third example. Kamal and Rajni are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. Dear students, there are two partners, namely Kamal and Rajni. So, and their profit sharing ratio, that is 5:3. So, Kamal and Rajni, and their profit sharing ratio is 5:3, means 5 by 8, 3 by 8. These are older ratios. These are the older ratio of older partners. So later on they have admitted Sharat into the partnership. The new partner name is Sharat. So after admitting the Sharat as a new partner, their new ratio of all the partners is, so they have provided here, all the partners agree to share profits and losses equally. Equally means 1:1 equally. So 1:1 means 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. These are the new ratio of all the partners. These two are the old ratio of old partners. So with the help of dear students, so here we need to calculate the sacrifice ratio of old partners. As you all know, the old partners only sacrifice their profits towards the incoming partner. So let us see the last line, calculate the sacrifice ratio. The first step is calculation of sacrifice ratio. So this is very simple method. So for 6 marks you will be asked for your annual examination. Calculation of sacrifice ratio of old partners. This is very compulsory while calculating the sacrifice ratio. So we need to calculate the sacrifice ratio of only older partners. So okay. Before going to calculate, we need to write the equation. Sacrifice ratio is equal to, on, in the previous video I have told you, on, it is a trick. On means older ratio minus new ratio. Okay, let us see sacrifice ratio of the first partner, whose name is Kamal. So sacrifice ratio of Kamal, old ratio of Kamal is 5 by 8, that you can see here, 5 by 8, minus his new ratio is 1 by 3. So dear students, so see the LCM between 8 and 3, it is a 24. So 8 3s are 3 8s are 5 3s are 15 minus 8 1s are 8. So it will be 7 by 24. So now the sacrifice ratio of the second partner, name is Rajni, whose older ratio, that is 3 by 8, that you can see here, minus his new ratio 1 by 3. The similar 8 and 3's LCM is 24. 8 3's are 3 8's are 3 3's are 9. 3 3's are 9 minus 8 1's are 8 is equal to 1 by 24. So then, therefore, sacrifice ratio of Kamal is to Razini. Okay, dear students, look here. Kamal 7 by 24. Rajni's sacrifice ratio, that is 1 by 24. Or you can say 7 is to 1 as the sacrifice ratio of all the partners. That you can see in your answer. Okay, dear students, so let us see one more example, that is the fourth one. J and K are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:2. Regarding this example, dear students, that you can see in your image. So with the help of image, we can see that question. So let us see the image. As per in your image, dear students, there is one example. J and K are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of their profit sharing ratio is 4:2. 4:2 is their profit sharing ratio. So there are two partners, namely J and K. Their old ratio, that is 4:2. I hope once again. So their old ratio is 4:2. Look here. 4:2 means 4 by 6, 2 by 6. Okay. Then they admit into the partnership. They admit L into the partnership. The new partner name is L. So after admitting the L as a new partner, the new ratio will be profits and losses equally. So they admit L into the partnership and all the partners share profits and losses equally. So after giving the admission towards L as a new partner, they share profit sharing ratio in the ratio of 1:1:1. That is the new ratio 1:1:1 means 1 by 3, again 1 by 3, again 1 by 3. Okay, for calculation of sacrifice ratio, dear students, we need these two ratios. One is old ratio and another one is new ratio. Okay, calculation of sacrifice ratio of old partners. See here, sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. This is the equation for calculation of a sacrifice ratio. So let us see the sacrifice ratio of the first old partner is J. His old ratio, that is 4 by 6. Minus his new ratio 1 by 3. The LCM of 6 and 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. Now the LCM of 6 and 3 will be 6. 6 1s are 6. 3 2s are 6. So 4 1s are 4 minus 2 1s are 2. 2 by 6 is the sacrifice ratio of J. So next sacrifice ratio of the K is equal to His old ratio is 2 by 6 and his new ratio is 1 by 3. The LCM between 6 and 3 is 6. 6 ones are 6, 3 twos are 6. So 2 ones are 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 by 6 is equal to 0. Okay, this is quite different answer. So look here, dear students. Therefore, sacrifice ratio of J is to K, that is 2 by 6 is to 0, means 1 is to 0. This will be the sacrifice ratio of J and K. So, if you want one more example, dear students, I would like to solve. Okay, dear students, let us see one more example. So, for that example, dear students, you can see the question on your image. Okay, dear students, as per your image, the example that is Raj and Vishnu are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5 is to 4. There were two partners, Raj, Vishnu. So these two are old partners. Their old ratio, that is 5 is to 4. Look here, 5 is to 4. Means 5 by 9, 4 by 9. They admit Ashwath into the partnership. The new partner name is Ashwath. So now here I am making some rough work here. This is not a compulsory part. So for the sake of you purpose only I am making some rough work here. So Ashwath as a new partner, there will not be a old ratio for the Ashwath. So after admitting Ashwath, the new ratio for all the partners, let us see whether it is provided or not. They admit Ashwath into the partnership. Raj agrees to surrender. The important point is Raj agrees to surrender 1/3 of his share and Vishnu agrees to surrender 1/4 of his share to Ashwath. So calculate the sacrifice ratio. In this problem, dear students, they did not give the new ratio for all the partners. So, but surrendered portion they have mentioned. Surrendered portion or portion surrendered, you can say. So Raj surrendered. Raj agrees to surrender 1/3 of his share. 1/3 of this. So similarly, the Vishnu agrees to surrender 1/4 of his share. 1/4 of his share means his share is 4 by 9. So with this we need to ascertain how much actually the old partners surrendered their portion towards the Ashwath. So calculation of sacrifice ratio of old partners while calculating sacrifice ratio. So in this circumstance we need to find out actual portion surrendered by the old partners. So then you can get calculation of portion surrendered by old partners. As per this problem, so portion surrendered means sacrifice ratio itself it is. sacrifice ratio. Okay. So as per the circumstance of this problem, dear students, portion surrendered by Raj. So he has surrendered. He agrees to surrender his 1/3 of his share. His share means 5/9 into 1/3. So 5 ones are 5, 9 threes are 27. So next one, portion surrendered by the Vishnu. So he agrees to surrender 1/4 of his share. That means 4/9 into 1/4. Let us see. 4 ones are 4, 9 fours are 36. So we cannot get the ratio. Here we need to common factor. We need to get the common factor. So look here. Okay, dear students. Here now we need to change the conversion of fraction into ratio. To get the ratios, dear students, we need to simplify this. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are. Now it is a 9. Into 3/3, we will get 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. So now we can get the same fractions, so that it is very easy to ascertain in the ratios. So therefore sacrifice ratio of Raj is to Vishnu. The sacrifice ratio of Raj is 5/27. The Vishnu's 3/27. While converting the fraction into ratios, there must be a equal the value between these two figures, dear students. But here it is a 27, here it is a 36. That is the reason here I have simplified this by dividing this, so we can ascertain 1/9. So again we need to convert 9 into 27. That is the reason we need to multiply the same figure 3/3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. So now both are similar. So then only we can convert the fractions into ratios. So look here, or 5:3 is the sacrifice ratio of Raj and Vishnu. So okay, dear students, similar examples so we will see in the next videos. We have tried our level best. Thank you very much. See you on next video.